Well, here's a little interesting project. I'm going to try and do up a quad, or at least get it running. When I say quad, it's a mini quad, 50cc, 2-stroke. What could possibly go wrong? I suppose we'll have a little walk round with it. That's the exhaust, which we can see through this convenient hole. Oh dear, someone's lifted it up from there. Little disc brake, see if that works in a minute. 2-part alloy wheels, bit furry, maybe they'll clean up. Plenty of pads on the disc there. Creaky cable, but the disc works. Pull start for the engine. Won't even bother giving that a try. There's no fuel in it, that's why. A lot of rust. Chain, God bless the little chain. Look at it. Tiny. So there we are. It's like a quad, but tiny. Very. Quite a bit of work. So we'll strip the bodywork off this later, I think. See what we're looking at. So, got the bodywork off, and it doesn't look too bad. Only rusty bits. Wheels spin. No noisy bearings or anything. Things are looking up. Definitely. Chain's got a few stiff links in it. So I'll sort that out. We'll get a new chain. Yeah. Let's get some of this rust off then. Scrub away, I guess. Well, I found some shiny bits. Well, potential shiny bits. Let's have a look around this. There's your little engine. Presume this is a clutch behind here. Tiny little sprocket. Exhaust seems solid. This little mono shock at the back. Amazing how much like a bike this is. Beginning to impress me. One thing I've noticed, there's an awful lot of camber on the front. I don't know if that's normal. You can see that. And this wheel here has got an awful lot of toe in. So I don't know how much toe in they have. But I imagine it should both be the same. So we'll sort that out when we've got the wheels and suspension apart. Yeah, we'll see how these bars clean up and paint. They used to be chrome. But Chinese chrome isn't brilliant, is it? British paint's much better. so far. It's coming apart nicely. That's the bars off. Tyres pumped up. Hold up overnight. That one's gone straight down, so I want the new tube. That one's going down. That one had some wind in it when I started. That one had some wind in it when I started, so I think it's two on that side. A good pair of tubes for there. So far we're looking at a chain, 2 inner tubes, possibly a new throttle with parental control in it, and the engine is completely unknown, but it isn't seized, which is good.